The lace is like the best thing.
December gets darker, let me know when you're home.
What is good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carrie. If you're new here, please make sure you hit that red subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing when I upload. If you ain't new, welcome back. Well, let's go ahead and get it popping. Now, we already know that this unit is not new, but it's new to me. I just got my hands on it, and you know what? I was like, let me go ahead and give it a review. I thought it was cute. I thought I liked it on some other people, but I'm gonna tell you off jump, I'm not really a huge fan of this unit right here, but let's go ahead and get into it. I'm gonna keep it short and simple. All right, so first of all, this unit is from Outre. It's from the Melted Hairline collection, which is one of my favorite collections of all time. You're supposed to get a frontal effect hairline. It's supposed to be the super transparent HD lace. You can use heat up to 400 degrees. Again, the style is Aaliyah, and I have it in the color 1B. All right, y'all. So they do have some other color options available if you do want to check it out. Now, like I said, on the stock car she's serving, I seen other people wear this unit. It was serving and all of that. One thing that did stand out to me is that it is a straight sleek unit, but it does have a little bit of layers that is bumped, so it's not like straight down, which I like. Okay, once it has a little bit of layers, I'm normally a fan of a straight unit, because when it's bone straight without layers, sometimes it doesn't look all that on me. Okay, so now that you know that, let's get into it.
Getting me deep. You make some kind of fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin. Make myself feel warmer when you're near. Whenever you're near, come close. 'Cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side. Come close. Get under my skin. Give me a piece of your mind. Just for a while. Stay by my side. November gets cold. December gets darker. Let me know when you're home. 'Cause you're lighting a spark in me. Gets pretty lonely. I get so lonely. So stay by my side. Come close. 'Cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side. Come close. Get under my skin. Give me a piece of your mind. Just for a while. Stay by my side. Close. Side. Wanna be by your side. Close. Just for a while. Stay by my side.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? 'Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy.
So the first thing I had to write down, y'all, because I was not feeling it. This unit tingles a lot. Now, I know it is a synthetic unit, so I do expect some tingling to be popping off, but this one is tingling a whole lot, and I'm really not feeling it at all. Now, the second thing, y'all, which is a big issue, because this is the Melted Hairline collection, it's supposed to give us a natural hairline. The hairline on this unit is not that natural. Only up in this space is where we're getting some of that pluck action, which still could be better in my opinion. Throughout the rest of the hairline, there is no plucking done. Like, this unit is super duper blunt, so I'm not happy with that. And especially being part of the Melted Hairline collection, I feel like we should have had a bomb hairline throughout the whole unit, because the hair is such a basic kind of style. It would have gave us more options to play with, a little swoop, sleek this back, little hairline here, you know what I'm saying? But we don't have that, so now it's looking extra basic, and it could have just been a lace part wig, to be honest with you. I don't feel like this unit needs to be melted down from here to here, because we don't have a lot of natural hairline going on with that extra lingering lace left over is kind of annoying. You know what I'm saying? Now, as far as it being like a unit that you can wear glueless, I wouldn't say it is, because you're going to have all of this out. You know what I'm saying? Maybe if you wear a wig grip, it might kind of hold it just a little bit, but for the most part, nah, sis. And I also say that because the elastic band that comes with it, that thing is mad tight. Like at first I was using it, but it was mad tight, so I'm not using it anymore. So as far as glueless, I don't know, but if you wanted to melt it down, is it really worth it? You get what I'm saying? Now, the overall look of this unit is like, you know what I'm saying? It's all right. It's okay. It's not really giving like I thought it was going to give. But like I said, the fact that it does have those little bit of layers does add a little bit of something to it, but it's still not giving that much for me. One more con that I did notice is that this unit's parting space was like extra tight, y'all. Of course, I added the powder to the part, so it does open it up a little bit, but it didn't do enough. As you can see, it still got a little bit of tightness to it. I mean, for the melted hairline collection, y'all, and a little bit extra coin we spending on these units, come on, y'all gotta come correct for us. You feel me? The unit is big head friendly. You do get a little bit of space up in here. You could do a couple things with it as far as the fit goes. I'm a 22.5 circumference size head, so you're somewhere around that. You'll be all right. I'm not gonna say it's big head friendly. I'm gonna say medium head friendly, medium to big. But if you have a huge head, something bigger than mine, you'll probably be forcing it on you, because I don't have that much space. The most that I do get is some ear to ear action. Like they give you a lot of ear to ear lace though. The texture on the unit is actually a pretty texture. It's a nice yaki texture, but it's not the softest hair either. And like I said, it tingles a lot, so it's very weird. The density is nice and full. They do give you a nice decent amount of hair. You know, my freaking nails is getting all tangled in there. It's like a nice, healthy, full type density. So I do like that. The length may be kind of long for some people. It is hitting like right above my butt. I am 5'4". Now, the best thing that I would say is on this unit is the lace. The lace is really, really nice. I would say that it did blend really nicely, y'all. Right after I added the initial powder to the lace, because I didn't have any more even tint spray, I would say that the lace was actually looking pretty good up against my skin. But of course, when I went in with the rest of the process, putting a little bit of the melting spray and adding the powder to the part, of course, it blended it a lot more. But overall, the lace is really, really pretty. Like I can't take away from the lace at all. So yeah, that's it though. That's it. The lace is like the best thing in the whole unit. Like I said, not a fan of it. I was like, ooh, I don't even want to do a review. I just want to take this wig off, which I do. But I gotta give you the real. I know this wig has been out for a minute, but since I never got my hands on it, I wanted to try it out, see what I was working with, y'all. And yeah, I'm not a fan of it. I still like the melted hairline series that Outre has going on, but this is just not one of my favorites. Like I said, it's been out for a while, so y'all let me know. Have you tried Aaliyah? Did you like it? Is this one of your faves? Like, what's up? Let me know in the comment section below. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video on up, and I'm gonna snatch this wig off and put something else on, because I got some other videos I gotta do today. But this wig ain't gonna cut it for me. But I'll see y'all later. Bye.
Got a brother that doesn't treat them right.